It's a beautiful day, absolutely beautiful day, so it might be a nice time to get some footage. It's nuts. No idea where I am. Get up the mountain and get something done. But I just can't see the top of the hill. They isolated in the mountains. So here we go. This is the starting position here. It's uphill most of the way for, I guess, the first two or 3 kilometers. And yeah, I have a full complement with me of water and some beans, jelly beans, caffeine, and I've got extra bit of warmth for the neck, some gloves just in case it's a bit chilly today. But hopefully things warm up as I get into the forest. The forest is the first part of the run, and then it moves into the hill, and then I'll be in another forest again, and then back again, forest, hill, forest. All right. So one of the great things about this run is the views. Look at that. Beautiful. It's pretty windy, but it's kind of to be expected with the lake down there. And the wind coming off the lake. So there's the hill just up ahead. That's where we're going. Then across to that one, and then back down. All right. So just a little interesting fact, over here, over there is Glending Woods. That's where we run, well, where I run very regularly. So yeah, so hi Glending, don't get jealous. You can see it just over there. Straight ahead. I hope we can hear this. This is my favorite part of the start of the run, where we go into the forest a little. It gets so nice. Less wind, dampened sounds. Pretty windy today. Hopefully this wind might settle down. We'll see. We've had a few days of no rain, which has been good for the ground. Although I can't imagine it'll be that dry on the way up the mountain. Generally tends to be quite boggy. Here we go. Alright, turning into a nice part of the forest. Much more settled. Nice break from the wind. Hopefully the sound is okay. All right. Sorrel Hill is just behind here. Going over that far, and I go back around, back down this way. So we're off up here with the sheep. There's the trail ahead, goes all the way up Sorrel Hill. This is where we're going. I'm going to have to watch my foot because it's pretty boggy. It's pretty boggy, just in case the sound isn't working. Oh, shit. Alright. Stay up high. frog spawn. It's everywhere actually. It has been pretty bad on the ground. My feet are fairly soaked, but not too bad. But now the big climb happens. So I think this will be more of a hike right now than a run. Try and conserve as much energy for later on and the other parts of the run. But it's a beautiful day. Very windy, but dry and blue skies. Yes. Getting there. It's a steep climb. We're at done 872 feet. It's nothing major. So I've been on a decline for about I'd say about 2 kilometers, which is worrying because it means I have to go back up. So I think I'm going over there into those woods, back up that mountain. So this is my turn, I'm pretty sure. Let's check the watch. No, it's not. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, maybe I'll come back that way. Okay. Judging by the watch, looks like I'm going this way, around and back up here. But what I might do is when I get to there, I might continue on up the mountain and then go down the mountain, rather than come all the way back this way. So I think that's my plan. So yeah, let's get going. It feels good though. I feel fine. About 10k in. And yeah, it's just such a nice day to be out. So I'd mapped myself down to the end here and then back up this way, but unfortunately it's not a route that I think you could take. At least I don't think it is. Looks like well, who knows? It's just looks like a bit of a stream. So no, I don't think I'm gonna get through there. Okay, so I double back around from there and I'm gonna head this way now. So this should get me back up to the mountain and then back over to Sorrel Hill, which is my plan. I'll be going that way basically once I finish down this hill here. So all good. Pretty okay. 14 kilometers in, so not too bad. All right. So my right turn is supposed to be back there, but there's just trees. So I think I'm gonna have to figure out another way up the mountain. So I'm heading up this track, this riverbed that's kind of just a stream, I guess, at the moment. Let's see, can I find a way to the right? And I think I might see one that way there. So hopefully keep going. That's the main thing. Keep going. Looks like this turns to the right here, so this is kind of what I'm looking for. Yes, yes indeed, this is what I want. All right, here we go. So I'm climbing up this alternative route for a wee while, but to be honest, I feel like once I get to the top, I'm going to see the real mountain. I don't think I'm anywhere close to the top of the mountain beside Sorrel. So we'll see. Let's have a look. That's Sorrel Hill over there, so I have to walk down and up again. So I'm just following the unbeaten track, and I'm hoping it's the right way. Sorry, it's pretty windy, and it's very cold. And 2 hours, 16 kilometers. Nuts. I have no idea where I am. Well, I mean, I have an idea, but I just can't seem to see the top of this hill. We are on the home straight. I was up that mountain there now. That's where we were. So there's some sheep. Hey lads. on the home straight back. So 18 kilometers, 2,500 feet. Hopefully we'll do another 500 and get to 3,000 and get back to the car. And yeah, success. It's a good run. Let's see what the finals are when we get back. But yeah, I think it was a good one. Hairy for a while up that mountain, but good nonetheless. Alright, Sorrel Hill. That's the other hill that we were up. Came back down that, up and around, and back down here. Pretty tired now. The legs are starting to ache a little bit. Oh, and looking forward to getting back to the car. Whew. Yeah. All right. On the final straight now. It's 24 kilometers. Probably be about 24 and a half. We're at almost 3,000 feet. So yeah, it's been a good day. It's been tough run, but enjoyable. Weather's starting to get a bit duller now, a bit cooler, so I'm happy to finish up. So yeah, all right.